Liyah, Lapu-Lapu City's newest superhero, Episode 7, Fiesta Frenzy Part 2. Liyah's heart hammered like a drum solo in her chest. "Please," she yelled, her voice lost in the fiesta's joyful chaos. Panic clawed at her. "Asa man ka nidagan paingon, please? Where did you run off to, please?" A choked sob escaped her lips, a stark contrast to the lively fiesta around her. Suddenly, a familiar wet nudge pressed against her hand. She looked down, hope blooming in her cheeks. "Please tell Tak." Low and earth flattened, stood beside her, a sheepish look on his furry face. Relief washed over her like a wave. She scooped him into a hug, burying her face in his soft fur. "Ayaw na gud ko hadlo ka og ingon ana, please. Don't you ever scare me like that again, please," she whispered, her voice shaky. Bliss whined softly, licking her cheek in apology. Commotion erupted near the stage. The three teenagers, surrounded by a confused crowd, were sputtering excuses. A big security guard, tipped off the cheese, was herding them towards a police officer with a friendly smile. Taking a deep breath, Liyah marched into the crowd, holding up the stolen goodies. "Uy, nakuha na ko kining mga batang lalaki nga naghimog gagmay nga sayop." "Hey everyone, I caught these boys making a little mistake," she announced, a playful twinkle in her eyes. The crowd roared with laughter and cheers erupted. The teens shrunk under the attention, their tough guy act melting faster than ice cream on a hot day. Liyah waved through the crowd, reuniting its lost item with its happy owner. The old lady with the sparkly purse beamed at Liyah, and even the confused teen with the stolen phone mumbled, "Salamat, thank you." Maybe missing up wasn't so bad after all, if it meant helping people. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in fairy colors, Liyah relaxed on a nearby bench with Blaze nosing at her feet. The stolen items were safe and sound. The confused teens were caught, hopefully learning a lesson. And most importantly, the fiesta spirit was alive and well. Liyah smiled, even though Blaze's scare still tingled in her stomach. Maybe being a superhero wasn't about winning every fight. Maybe it was about being brave, never giving up, and having a little bit of luck on your side. And maybe, just maybe, it was about reminding everyone, even scared kids feeling alone, that they had the power to achieve their dreams. After all, even a small superhero with a furry, skull sidekick could make a big difference. Thank you for listening. To receive Liyah's next adventure as soon as it drops, be sure to hit the subscribe button.